Hi everyone, I just got back from the most quacktacular event at Tokyo Disneyland. In today's video, I'm sharing you all the magical goodies I brought back. Get ready to check out some special merch that'll thrill any Donald Duck fans. As a fan myself, I'm honored to introduce it to you. Let's crack this open. Hi, this is Monami, a Disney lover in Japan. First up, let's take a look at these delightful souvenirs that aren't just merch, but comes with a delightful twist. When you order a specific meal during the event, you get these exclusive merch for paying just a little extra. This is a souvenir cup wrapped around with designs of Donald Duck enjoying being a superstar. It's a bit smaller than a regular cup, so it's perfect when you just want a little drink. Next, we have the souvenir coaster featuring a jubilant superstar Donald. It's a fantastic companion to our little cup right here. And how can we forget this adorable souvenir lunch bag? Its striking blue and yellow color make it pop, and it's tall enough to fit more than just your lunch. Super handy. Moving on, we have this fun little item called a Quacky stick. It's called a Quacky stick because it makes a quacky sound, just like this. You're supposed to use it during the parade held in Disneyland, but it's also perfect for adding a bit of Donald Quack in your day. This plush bag is a replica of the outfit Donald wears during the parade. I'm taking him to a special room themed around this event in May, so you would definitely want to subscribe to not miss the video. This is the bag charm case. Not only it is cute, but it opens up to hold small essentials. I got a blue one, but there's also a yellow one too. Here are some postcards sold in set of 3 with embossed detailing. They look stylish enough to send it to your friend or keep it as a collectible. I usually use one to send it to my friend or family and keep the other one for me to collect. Next is this wash towel, a summer essential. It's always good to have a few extra, and the feeling is so soft and superb. These drawstring bags are just too cute, sold in set of 3. The design from the front is cute enough, but look at the back. Don't you think it's overwhelming? Check out this leisure sheet, designed with a unique Duck City and superstar Donald. It is spacious enough for one person to relax comfortably. These fashion glasses are just too adorable, but it is a bit small, so keep that in mind if you're buying it. And for a sweet finish, we got this colorful chocolates and gummies. The chocolate comes in cute, individual wrapped package, perfect for gifting. For the gummies, there are cider and pineapple flavors, both deliciously sweet. After you're done eating, you can use these cases for storing small items. That's a wrap on my Donald Duck's Quacky City haul. I hope you enjoyed this peek of the magical goodies. If you loved any of these items, let me know in the comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more Disney magic. See you next week.